Hello fans, today I want us to talk about this switch. I want to tell you how to remove the front cover. If you want to change or replace the front cover, look at the switch 2960X. How to remove the front cover. Look at the model of the switch. C2960X 24 PSL. You can also remove all these 29X series. All the 29X series. You can remove all these series. You're seeing right now. You can remove the front cover the same way. The front cover like this. So you remove the cover, the upper cover. Lift it up like this. Remove it. Look at the cover here. Look at the cover. You remove this. Keep one side. Because before you have to remove this, you have to make sure this one is out because of this place, because of this indicator channel, this button side where you see the mode button, the lights. You have to remove the this upside cover because of this particularity, so you will not damage or spoil this. So what you're going to do is, the next thing you're going to do is almost all Cisco switches almost the same way to remove the front cover, but the carefulness and that's replacing it back sometimes differs. So what I want us to do right now, I want us to remove this, the front cover. So you look at the back, you can see this place. So what you're going to do is, when you're slightly lifting, you make sure you use a small flat, not a big one, small flat, so they can fit into this hole here. So when you're lifting it up like this, each hole, because we have each hole where the hook is attached to, so you lift it up. When you're lifting it up, you're pulling this one with the left hand like this. When you're lifting it up, you're pulling this one with the, you see this one is out already. You see the upper one, see this one is out already. The upper one, you see it's out. So you do the same way to all of them. So all of them, you do the same way, and you remove this. You see, it is out. So you make sure that this hook, this hook, this small, tiny hook does not spoil. This tiny hook here, this tiny hook does not spoil. You see them? See another one here. It's very tiny. That's why you have to be very careful with it. See this one here? So it is this tiny hook that you'll be lifting up and be pulling it out. When you're lifting it from this casing, then you'll be removing it, pulling it out with the left hand. When you're using the right one to be controlling the screwdriver, which is this one, using the left hand to remove it. So that is it. So when you want to put it back again, the reason why I told you have to open it, you have to remove it. So what you're going to do is, you first of all, you push this one backwards. You push this, you push it backwards like this. Then you fix it. This one you can actually fix it, as I told you before. Whenever you want to do this, You see, as it is, the front side of it, the upper side of it touch the body of the casing first. Then you make it like this, like a like a triangle. You see, it has given space, triangle space here, like this, like this, like this. You see, there's a small space here, but there's no space up here. So make sure like that. Then you come like this. Then you push it like this. Only push. Finish. There's no two ways. You push it down. You push it. So you have fixed this one. It's now strong. It's now very strong now. So what you're going to do is you take this. You see spaces here. You see this space for this one. You see this. Make sure all the ones. Make sure it aligned according to where it's supposed to be. So that's what you're going to do now. Now it is done. Your work is done. So thank you. Subscribe if you are coming across the channel for the first time. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that I can see you on the next video. Thank you.